Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize tax filing checklist in TaxAct, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize your tax filing checklist in TaxAct, start by visiting the TaxAct website. Log into your account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the section labeled Tax Filing Checklist. Click on the checklist to view all necessary items for your tax filing. Review each item on the checklist to ensure you have all required documents. Gather your W-2 forms, 1099s, and any other relevant tax documents. Next, return to TaxAct and begin adding your documents. Click on the Add Document button to upload each form. As you upload documents, make sure to label them correctly for easy reference. Once all documents are uploaded, review the checklist again. Check off each item as you confirm your documents are complete. If you encounter any issues, utilize the Help feature on TaxAct. Consider utilizing the chat support option if you need real-time assistance. After confirming all items, proceed to the File My Taxes option on the dashboard. Follow the prompts to authorize your tax filing. Make sure to double-check all information before final submission. Once you are satisfied, submit your tax return for filing. You will receive a confirmation email once your filing is successfully submitted. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.